Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on screen distance feature on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is going to work the same if you have the iPhone that has Face ID. So, every iPhone that does have Face ID is going to have this feature. So let's go to the settings right now and then go to the screen time. And here you can find something that is called screen distance. And what it does is it measures with the Face ID camera, the true depth camera, if you're holding your phone in a good distance or not. So if you're holding your iPhone too close to your face, for example, let's say in the late evening when you're in your bed and you're watching something on your phone, in many cases people used to put the iPhone too close to their face. So if you turn on this feature, this is going to alert you when you have the screen too close to your face. Maybe I'm going to be able to show you that. Okay, so it really does not want to work as fast as I would like to show you that, but you need to believe me that every time you hold your iPhone too close to your face, it is going to get you a notification that you need to put your iPhone a little bit away from your face. So this is it. This is how it works and how you can turn it on. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!